South Carolina is under a state of emergency because of a slew of wildfires.
Nearly 200 of them erupted over the weekend, but that number is much smaller this morning. ABC's Andrew Dimbert explains.
This morning, a wildfire emergency in the southeast. Firefighters battling at least 175 wildfires across South and North Carolina, prompting evacuation orders in both states.
Oh, you could smell the smoke all the way in Columbus.
One of the biggest fires threatening communities near Myrtle Beach. South Carolina National Guard deploying 2 Black Hawk helicopters to help fight the flames. After doubling in size over the weekend, the fire near Myrtle Beach was 30% contained overnight, allowing some residents to return.
This whole area was on fire.
Whole area, yes.
Wow.
And then it came up to the row of trees here, and that's when I abandoned my hose.
Dry and windy conditions are fueling the fast-moving wildfires, as much of the southeast is in moderate drought.
So that wind is what started it, and start one fire and just kept going and going and going, just catching everywhere, like all the woods behind us.
And how close did you see those flames? How
right
close
here,
did it get?
right there. See right there?
Officials in the fire zone warn the dry conditions will remain today before much-needed rain tomorrow and Wednesday. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.
So far, no buildings have been destroyed in these fires and no injuries have been reported.